here right now. Everything is over. And we're looking forward to football for Ghana. We're not out of football, although I've officially retired, but we make sure we give back as we normally do, as we started from day one. So I would like to thank my colleagues. We've got one colleague here, Professor Living Guy, tonight up here. And yeah, you can see the young generation coming, the videos I can see here. It's time to pave way for the young ones, and we make sure we support them behind the scenes. There are a lot of fans here, there are a lot of football coaches in Ghana. But what else can I say? I would like to say thank you so much for supporting me throughout these years. Thank you.